basically, I'm the face of the team from Dubai, and I'm here right now to support Karnataka Tuskers. और मैं South से हूँ, तो definitely I would, of course, I wanted to support Karnataka Tuskers, and I'm here to support them. And I would also tell my fans कि हमें support करो. I like cricket, and it's an amazing game. And it's not that I play, but I do watch. तो that is how I got interest in watching cricket. I think सब लोगों के घर पे सब लोग cricket तो watch करते ही हैं. And you know they like मेरे घर पे तो sometimes मैं ऊपर अगर मैं काम करती रहती हूँ तो suddenly जब you know they start screaming जैसे कि 6 हो गया या 4 हो गया, you know, so उसके हिसाब से I've been you know listening to all these things, and of course and then I sit down and watch with them as family. Of course, I mean, I would definitely support women cricket as well, and because sports is something which is very important, which makes us stay healthy, stay fit. So not only that, it has a brain game as well, you know, because everything is a brain game. And sports, I mean, this is physically and mentally, it's amazing.